Hi, good morning, and welcome to it is a very first session. So, previous Python basics, it is completely optional, and today is the first session of our AI journey. Actual session, this is. It is an actual session of our journey. Now onwards, every session is interesting one and important also. Okay, leave it about names and other things. Just consider today is a session number one. But if you are planning for complete Python, yesterday I took a demo session. This is different one. Your regular course to whatever I'm going to start from upcoming Monday. Your course is regularly, it will run AM and PM. There is no change. Now onwards, you can expect 4 months almost. If you want to plan for complete Python, so there is a one batch is there 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. IST. Only 40 slots, almost 18 completed in yesterday only. Just limited people in the 8 to 9 hours. If it is not possible to you, plan for recordings, daily recordings also can plan it and go through them. It is very important. You don't skip it. Again, regularly Python batch won't come again. So in your this 4 month journey, again you cannot see one more batch. Right. So the first thing today I said we are going to start actual our course plan AI generative AI. Okay, part two is secondary first, and part three is third. This is our course content mainly. In AI inside, so many things are there. Fine, that is secondary. But I have some questions before proceeding to the AI part. Mainly important data pre-processing is one important thing. Data pre-processing is a one important step is there. Even this one also I'm not going to talk in today. I have some questions regarding the list data type. List data type, I have some questions. Mainly this 1 week, 2 weeks, we are going to discuss mainly three modules, NumPy, Pandas, and graphs related one. First, think like from zero only. Yeah, we know how to create a list. We can create the list. Fine, this is a way we can create the list. Great. Now the question number one is it support what we can call vector operations? First, what is a vector? You can give the definition, then ask the question again one more time. My question is, if I want to add for every number with a 5, X is my list. I want to add a number 5 to each value without loops. Maybe you can write a loop every time add plus 5, one more loop, one more also you can write it. Maybe you can give this type of answer. I agree for that. Yeah, what is your expectation? Will it work now? If X is my list, here X is here my above list, adding 5 to each number, that is a target. If it is working, I mean, again, my X list is updated 15, 25, 35, 45, 6, 55, like my existing above list, then this process is correct. But is it supporting? No, it is not supporting. And problem number two, yeah, this imagination is important. This imagination is important. I selected x equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Your PVM will come to the picture. Variable name and address. Consider this is a total RAM. Divide as a small chunks. How the variables are going to allocate memory. I mean, how this is going to store. Now you are going to get a good clarity in today's session. By the not only list, you can take any data type. This is a memory or RAM, memory RY. Yeah. So X is there, na? Actually, X address you can consider this is the one. This box. This box you can consider your X variable X, and otherwise you can take Y. Your X, something not good. Yeah, this is a variable Y. Hmm? Some address location 215. Y variable, not X. 215. But really your 10, 20, 30 not stored here. Somewhere 20 will go, 10 here, 20 here, 30 here, 40 here, 50 here, it is available. So here it will maintain 10 address. For example, 101, 120 address I'm writing. 10, 103, 120, 150. These address locations it will maintain 101 index 0 and 2120 not original values, and 130, 150, 120, like that the addresses it is going to store. Whenever you are calling y of 1, yeah, y of 1 means this is 0 and 1. So address location somewhere. But looks like it is available in same location or not. Are you understanding this one? In the 215, do you have real values or the values distributed address closed ledger? The 215 is a variable address, correct? Y variable address. In the 215, do you have real values or values available address? Yeah, are you following me? Following
Values
me?
available address.
Guys, everyone clear about this image? First of all, please confirm it.
No, sir. That you're
Yeah,
saying that 215 is one more address. Once again, one more address, right, sir?
yeah, listen. One more time, I am writing here. So whenever I create a list, Y. So what is the Y? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 is available. We have a lakhs of cells are available in the RAM. So Y is located in the PVN table. For example, address number 10101. Y variable is located here. And what is the Y variable address? 10101.
10.
Inside really you don't have the address of this one. So actually what is the values are available? 10 is available. Somewhere in the RAM located. Somewhere in the RAM it is located. Lakhs, not lakhs, even crores of IDs memory cells are available. So 10 is located certain address X1 address location or 1020, and like 20 is located 1030, 1040, and these addresses you can observe carefully. Addresses are located. Yeah, you can see 10 address is 1010, no, 1020 for 10, 1030 for 20, 1040 for 30. 1050 50 1060 for 50. Now tell me, in the RAM, really do you have the address of the variable of index 0? What is index 0? What is index 0 if I call? Y of index 0 if I'm calling?
10.
Y of index 0 means my request go to the PVN table. PVN table will check. Okay, this is ID. Then it will go to here. It will pick up. Correct? Tell me, can I call in the list, the values are stored side by side or randomly distributed in the RAM?
Random.
Random.
Randomly distributed. But who is having all addresses?
Index. That
Your
10.
Y variable one, Y variable, whatever the memory, 1010 something, 10101 is there, na? That containing all address locations. Are you agree for this?
Yes.
Yeah. What is the problem if it is this? We can call this problem is a scattered. Scattered means what is the meaning of general word scattered?
It distributed in
It's
different
distributed every
places.
place.
Distributed. Tell me, there is a 100 rooms are there. There are 5 members are available. 5 members are there. There are 100 rooms are there. One person is row number 10, another person is row number 95, and another third person is row number 2, fourth person is row number 47, fifth person is row number 88. Tell me, to call these members, how much time is required? They are like line by line are available. First, we should call row person 1 only, then only person 2, then only person 3, not person 1, person 3 at a time. So, to travel to here and there, taking time or not?
Yes.
Your list address 10101 always fixed one, never change. That's why it is mutable. Hmm? Yeah. Problem is clear. What about the list? You can see really am I right or wrong? You can observe. I'm taking one program. So strongest foundation is required. Data cleaning is a important part. Even everyone will skip this one. Why? Because machine will do. No machine will replace this section. Yeah. Program one. Yeah. 1 second. I'm taking one list. Again, don't take my list. For I in my list, print. Yeah. I'm writing value. How can I write the value? I. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Then after hmm,
Address of I.
address of my list and address of whom? I. Can I write I?
My list is you have to close.
Yeah. Every time I value is different or not?
Yes.
So which one I'm printing here? Close object. Which three values I'm printing? Value. What is the first value will be printed?
10.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Address of my list entire
1020.
this one same or different?
Same.
Same only. Yes.
Yes.
And what is the address of I every time? 10 address, 20
Different.
address, 30 address?
Different.
Different. Yeah. Everyone clear about expected output for this? Please confirm it. Hmm? Yes, clear?
Yes.
Yes.
You can 1 second, yes. Just wait. It is I am going to print one screen. No, no, it is dancing. Yeah, good. Every time 600 only. This 600 is similar to your 102, 10101. Are you understanding? And observe these addresses. Is it same or different?
Different.
Yeah, even this 6120, 6440, 6760, 7080, 744. Yeah, completely different one or not? So definitely to call this one taking extra burden to the PVM or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Problem number one, I said. What is the problem number one? No vector operations. Second one, memory issue. Third one is taking lot of space to store the values. Lot of space to store the values. Takes the lot of space to store the values. So lot of space means how can I identify my list value, my list? There is a one way module is there, sys. Sys inside there is something is available. Get size of your variable name if you provide, it will gives to you in the form of bytes. 104 bytes it is storing. Okay, again I am creating one more list. Y equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, Python 3.14. Yeah, this is the one.
What is that get size of?
That is the one of the function in the sys module which gives to you every Python object size function, anything. You are creating one variable example. Okay, wait, I will come to that one. Again, I'm going to, can I find out Y size also? Yes. What is the size?
296.
296, right? Yeah, I'm now coming to your question. If you create any variable in the RAM, it definitely occupies some unit of memory or not? Are you understanding my point? If you create variable, is it going to come in the air or in the sky? No. Definitely in the RAM, it will eat, it will consume some amount of RAM memory. Are you agree for that?
Yes.
Yeah. For that, you can use this one. How to know if I'm using something? Please get perfect clarity learning any technology, especially here, sys module. Inside sys module, so many things are there. Correct? Is it right way? First importing after dir. Is it right way? Yeah. Somewhere do you have anything get size of? Hmm?
It's get size of.
Yeah. Who are you? Yeah. Who are you? Get size of? Who are you? Please tell me. You are a functioner?
Function.
Tell me, you can your documentation. What is that? What is that? If you give any object in Python, everything is an object. That is a get size of. Yeah. And now in mathematics, don't think about mathematics. Sir, I don't know about. Yes, I will. We are not going to do any 10th standard mathematics, general school level mathematics only. Maybe you are very good at this section. Yeah. Can I, like, there is a one linear equation 2x plus 3y equals to 7. Don't get any confused. 4x minus 3y equals to 11. Can I solve this one by my Python existing data types? Is it possible to find out this solution? Sir, I can write 2, I can write 3, but this place, why you're writing x?
Not possible.
Otherwise, I think what is this one? Maybe you are very good at this section. If you are completed your 10th standard on or before 2016-17 type, then definitely you will give that answer. What is these two boxes?
Matrix.
Matrix. Can I do what is the matrix addition? For example, this is a matrix A and matrix B. What is my expected output here?
6, 8,
Adding
10.
same position values. 1 plus 5, 6, 8, 3 plus
10.
7, 10, and this is a
12.
12.
Is it possible to do directly, easily?
No.
Really no. Okay, possible. Maybe you have to use loops in the, we know, there is a row numbers, column numbers, row 0, row 1, column 0, column 1. Don't worry. I am explaining to you problems careful. The complete problems I am exploring. Solution is secondary. R1, C1. First you have to write a row only.
Using vectors, is it possible?
Yeah, that is possible. But vectors not supported by your traditional data types of Python.
Okay.
Guido van Rossum did not find any functions in the Python related to mathematics or general scientific related mathematics related activities purpose. Guido van Rossum. Yeah, who is this, sir? Again, you are bringing someone. Hmm. Remember, upcoming days. So the technologies are going to change rapidly. You can expect these statements upcoming 2 years. Upon Python, one more technology is improving. That is a Mozo. Yeah, Mozo language is developing, which is completely depends on Python only. Now AI is one side. Presently, you are working with Python. Python upon only. Without Python, you cannot understand the Mozo language. Even these new languages, 32, some different documents explaining different way of output, but minimum to minimum 32 times faster than your Python. See, you can see what is Mozo language. That's it. I'm not asking any question. Simply, Mozo is an a native high performance programming language designed as a superset of Python. Yeah, this word is okay today. Maybe after 2 years, so we cannot see this one. Now I'm saying that one. You can observe 1.5 year or 2 years, less than 2 years. You can see this one. It is mainly above the Python only. It is going to work. Now I am asking how speeder than. Yeah, 1 second. Anyhow, Google is not a word-based one. Sorry, it is not a sentence-based search. Word-based only. Speeder speed tests otherwise with Python. How many times it is faster than Python? 1 second. Okay, I have to give question at least properly. Mozo language is faster than Python. How much times? How many times? Even this, maybe it is not possible, but 35,000 times really not possible. 10x or 32x is a correct, 35x is a correct one. So, should we have a strongest Python idea? Already Linux distribution point version released. Everything Python again. No single change. Everything is Python only. You can see. You can see your complete Python only. Your complete Python only. There is no other things. Yeah, I'm not saying to you something. Definitely, every time we need to update it. But
What is difference, sir? Any language, something different, sir?
yeah, Python also having some drawbacks,
Oh,
especially speed purpose.
okay.
Yeah. If you ask a question today, which programming language is faster for programming language? The answer without any doubt,
C,
C
C++.
language. C only. There is no doubt. C language only. C is the highest performance one. The reason is I will tell you. Even this is also hidden fact I will explain to you. Once if you write a Python program in a high level language, you will write one Python program like a.py, some file name, some print statement you are writing. And this code will be converted to byte code. Byte code. That file will be automatically converted to .py, byte code, set, get. You cannot read this one. Python will convert to byte code. That are compiled code also you can call. Byte code or compiled code. Then after each line, one line taken by that operating system installed PVM and it execute on the server or computer. One line it will take to you interpreter nature. Total code converted to your English to bytes. Otherwise, you can consider this is a zeros and ones, easiness purpose. And one line taken by your PVM, that is a interpreter, and it will execute it. Your compile means C Python is a very famous compiler. So stage 1, stage 2, that is the reason this is slow. Slow means not like railways, not 1 hour, 10 hours, just milliseconds change. Exactly this section your Mozo language is going to do as a one group. Instead of this, they are bringing only one element.
Means in place of the interpreter, Naga, like they're moving to like a compiler, like a C.
Yeah, even we cannot call Python is not a programming language, not a scripting language. Why? Because programming language is having compilers, scripting language is having interpreter, right?
Yes.
So Python is programming language and scripting language. That's why we are using in the automation. But really, that is only the drawback. If you execute one line, that should pass internally 2 stages. So you can ask a question. Is Python is a programming language or scripting language? Scripting means line by line execution. Programming means compiler one. So Python is a both. Yeah, this is a one hidden secret. So anyhow, this is fine. Come back this story. So mathematical operations is very complex. And memory issue is a one more thing. And is there any data type can you show me in the Python to store only numbers with my customized values? Listen my question carefully. Sir, please show me one data type. 14 data types are there. I almost explained to you 4 to 5 to you. Any data type store only numbers, that to my own numbers, 5, 10, 5, 6, 7, like that. Is there any homogeneous data type? Is there exclusively for the numbers? Are you getting my
No.
point?
No.
Guys, my request is please give the response. At least chat box you have to use. Now onwards, very, very important. Your paying amount and your valuable time apart from the payment. So please respond it. Why we are lending this module is important. Directly I can start it. Everyone explained an NumPy, but what is the purpose is important. So exactly there is a one concept came, NumPy is come to the picture. One module came to the picture, that is a NumPy. Whatever I explained to you as of now, the drawbacks, that one we can achieve by using the one of the third party module. One of the famous third party module. Third party module means is it available directly on my machine?
No.
No.
So not available. That is a
You need to install it using pip, no? Right?
yeah. Yes, absolutely. NumPy means actually numerical Python, completely number related activity. Without NumPy, you cannot understand pandas. I mean, sir, I directly understand pandas only. I want to get expert knowledge on the pandas. Not possible. Should be learn the first NumPy perfectly. So, numerical Python. You can see the one simple statement. It is a third-party module and exclusively deals with homogeneous data types. What is a homogeneous data type? Sir? Otherwise, same data type. Otherwise, only with numbers. Is it fine? Purely numbers. It is an array only. Array means what is the meaning of an array? What is the meaning of an array? Index 0, 1, 2, 3, forward index, storing multiple values with single variable name. You are calling general iterable, na?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is purely deals with numbers only.
But in array also there will be different data types, right? Not only homogeneous, right?
Yeah, even different data types. Even range is there, but range also should be sequential, correct? In the old Python. Can I store 5, 5, 5 3 times in the range, in the list?
No.
List you can change it, store it, but list also support heterogeneous or not? I can
Yeah.
also store a string also, but
Yes.
exclusively to store the numbers.
Then range you use, right?
Yeah, range, but sequential only. Can I store 555 two times, three times?
No.
No. That should be sequential, means gap should be equal. Really, NumPy is exclusively a one data structure. Yeah, maybe if you are coming from background of academics, DSA, data structure. Yeah, no, no, no. Okay, I'm keeping for some few minutes everyone under mute. Yeah. So NumPy specially for is like a data structure designed for numerical or number related or mathematical related activities or computations. So these NumPy especially works with numbers and mathematical operations or mathematical what we can call computations, problem solutions purpose. Really, it is a great thing. And someone will call NumPy is a module, NumPy is a library, NumPy is a what is another word? Package. All are same only. Blindly go to the CMD command prompt start button. Pip install NumPy. Space you have to provide pip space NumPy space pip install NumPy. Happy. Okay, there is nothing. That's why it is not showing anything. Could you please do the same thing on your laptop? Could you please do the same thing on your laptop? Yeah. It will take small few seconds to you, but don't worry. First time it is installing, it is taking some time. It is taking some time. Great. Is it working? Is
Yes.
it working?
It's working.
Yes.
Yes.
Naga, we have to use pip3, right?
Are you using Linux machine?
Oh, Mac.
Windows.
Windows and pip will work. Pip3, pip2 related to Linux, not here. Yeah.
Pip
Then
work.
after, yeah, please.
It works if you have Python installed, right? Then.
Yeah, Python installer. Now, whatever the IDL you are opened as previously, please close it. Again, launch new IDL. Try this one. Import NumPy. Is it working? Yeah, loaded. For me, again, I received the prompt. For me, again, I received the prompt. For me, again, I received the prompt. For you?
Yes.
Yeah. Sir, why you are learning this NumPy? Give me few reasons.
It's a kind of an array which stores a homogeneous data types as number.
Okay, homogeneous.
On different professions.
Memory issue
Nations, yeah,
and no vector operations.
operations.
And especially, okay, this there is no proof as of now. No proof. I will show the proof to you. Traditional old data types of like list, Python data type list occupying lot of memory.
Yes.
And especially, it is going to store the data types side by side. Continuous memory it is going to use. For example, 5 members are there, 100 rooms are there, 5 members sitting out of 100 rooms, 5 members are sitting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rooms. If I want to call one by one, easy or not?
Yes, yes. Correct.
So that is a memory, continuous memory allocation is a one more important. Yeah, fine. So fine. Then can I create alias to typing NumPy n somewhere, u somewhere, p, y? Yeah, typing is very tricky, difficult for me. Can I create any alias?
And NP.
Happy? Not NP. You can write any name, but it's better thinking or just NP. The pronunciation also looks like NumPy, NP, NP. Now can I see what is inside of it? Can I see what is inside of it?
Yeah.
Yeah, almost this much of things are there. It will take 1 year to learn only NumPy to you. Only 1 year for here only you are going to spend. Yeah. But one thing, there is a one benefit to use that. Everything here arrays only inside of. That too we can call ND arrays. ND array, 1D array, 2D array. I will come to what is a one dimensional, two dimensional. But everything here ND array only. NumPy dot ND array, ND array. So one flexibility you have. So for example, this is my list, old one, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yeah, this is a old data type. If you want to convert old Python data type to NumPy variable, there is a something is available. What is that? Something is available. Think like something, is there anything? I want to move to one data type to another data type. Is there anything?
Typecasting.
Yeah, an array is there, just like an array. What is the data type I have to provide here? What is the
List.
data type? My list. Some name. Can I write some K? Okay. Now, what is the K inside is going to store?
It's array.
Yeah,
Which
it's a
array? So, what
ND
is
array.
typecasting? Converting your traditional or old
Yes.
Python data type to NumPy ND array you are converting. Am I right?
Yes.
Now, working. What is the K inside? Again. K inside again. What do you have?
Same as my list.
Same only. But
An array.
type of my list is list only, right? First one.
Yes.
But second question, what is the type of K? Yeah, this is a one. NumPy
ND
you said
array. ND array.
ND array. How many dimensions are there? This is
One dimension.
one dimension. You know, one dimension, two dimension. For example, 10, 20, 30, 40. You know the matrix point. For example,
Yes.
2 by 2.
50, 60. Yeah, how many rows? Rows,
Uh,
2 by
Two
3.
rows.
column, 3. If we consider this x-axis, this is a y-axis. How many dimensions are there? Rows and columns only there, correct? In the graph,
Yes.
only horizontal, vertical lines are there. How many dimensions are available?
2
2
dimensions.
dimensions.
2 dimensions. Thus, this we can call as in the mathematics, what we can call 2 by 3
Mm-hmm.
class of matrix, correct? How many rows are there? How many columns are there? Correct? Are you getting confusion? Are you getting confusion?
No.
But simple, you don't think. How many rows are there here? If you just draw the lines, how many lines are coming? How many horizontal lines are? No. How many same type of lines are coming? That is a one category. These 4 or 5 are same one category, one dimensional. Otherwise, if you see these two, how many different type of lines are coming?
2 by 2.
How many different lines are coming?
4.
No, different line. These two are one category. These two are one category. This is a two dimension. What is the dimension of this one?
1.
So this is a one ND array means you have to give that answer. What is the answer?
1 dimensional.
One dimension. Now, can I find out the size of this one? Okay, first problem. Will it support scalar operations? Sorry, my mistake. Vector operations. Yeah, some background voice is coming. Again, this video is moved to recorded session to others. So, are you getting my point? What is my intention? I want to do the add of 5 to each number. Am I right? Working?
Yes. Mm-hmm. It's working.
But what about your previous list? What about your previous list?
It's not working.
Not working. It is a problem number 1. There is a solution. What is the problem number 2? I explained you 3 to 4 problems. What is another one?
Memory.
Yeah. Let's see. Okay. Closed ledger. First of all, initially we are wrong. But don't get any confused. Guys, please respond something. Okay, some error coming. Who is that? Import NumPy. Yeah, no, not install module. Please close the session and open it again one more time. Yeah. Now close LabZer carefully. Yeah. Just come outside of this example. I'm creating one list. A 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So import sys inside get size of A. How many items are there presently? How many items are there presently?
10.
10 items are there. And what is the size bytes? 136.
136.
Please convert this same thing to please convert this same thing to ND array. Possible?
Yes.
Oh, my mistake. What is that name? Here only, na? Yeah.
Yes.
Can I find out the size of this one again?
Yes. Size of B.
Now tell me who is better? Who is better, sir?
List is better.
List is better.
Python.
No, Python is better. No. Which data type is better?
Regular data
Yeah,
type,
list,
like regular
regular
listing.
list.
Okay,
List.
wait. Again. That's why initially we are wrong. Now I'm increasing A size, some other values. Again, different value. Beautiful background voice is coming. Beautiful background voice is coming. Yeah, I'm adding 220 items now. Again, I'm going to find out the size of my variable A. Great. That is when I'm added 20 items, it is reaching to 216 bytes. And that too different. Okay, address I'm going to check. Now I'm going to convert to again sys get size of my variable A and B also containing 1 second. No, my mistake. B equals to np dot array of A. Yeah, B inside also total items are available. Sys get size of B. Yeah, so it is occupying 272. Now again I am going to my A variable. This time I am adding some more items. It's a normal list only. Don't give double commas. Yeah, happy. How many are there? First list only. How many are there? 96 items are there. And sys get size of A 920. So number of items are 96. That time 920. Same variable I am trying to convert numpy dot array of A. Yeah, B also having same number of items. Again I'm asking get size of B 880. Again listen carefully. Yeah, this is important one. Your A variable. Again one more time I'm copy pasting 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe one time extra. This is my A variable. Length of A 1056 members I loaded, values, numbers only. And this time get size of A is 8856. Yeah. Same variable without any single change. I am trying to change to ND array, type of B, yeah, length of B, same values B, Yeah, dot printing. And now this get size of B. Yeah, tell me, what is the observation you are seeing here? What is the observation you are seeing here? When the value is increasing, when the big data is I'm selecting, huge collection of numbers I'm collecting, a large data if I'm going to select, NumPy is better or list is better by this observation.
NumPy.
By
But huge collection of data. Your list is initially looks like better, but when I'm going with a large set of data, NumPy is the best option. Yes,
It's not.
Yes. And moreover, Naga, I think through
yeah,
NumPy we can manipulate the data easily. Like
yeah, easily. Okay, yes, absolutely. But
we
apart
can
from
access the
memory point,
column directly, or if we represent the matrix format, that identification of rows columns will be very easy than list.
yes, rows and column index is also correct. But the second proof is clear. Memory allocation is very less or not. Even if I store 1 lakh records, my NumPy is very easy. And second one, I am going to explain to you memory related glitches you can see. Memory related glitches you can see. Very important one. Now, this part is important. I am taking 20 numbers. Huh? Yes, listen carefully. Now, third proof I am showing to you. This is my list. How many items are there? Started with 10 to 20. Am I right? For I in my list, print value I and address. Yeah. Is it same address or different address as per this statement?
Same address because it's a part of list, I guess.
Address of my list. Second. Yeah, I'm changing my question. My question I'm changing.
You'll get same address, Naga, I guess.
Yeah, now it is different. Agree?
Correct. My list it will be same ID.
Last one
ID
is
will
different.
be different.
Different. Yeah. 1 second. So this is same, but you can see, is there any link? No link. But again, same program. I'm writing somewhere, but I'm following some other steps. Can you guess what is step I'm going to write now?
NumPy
Import
array.
NumPy as NP. Yeah. Here instead of my list, what I'm writing?
And NumPy list.
Yeah. B I'm writing. Okay. B equals to NP dot
Array of
my list. Clear about this one?
Yes.
Yeah. Everyone clear about this one? What I written on the screen. My
Yes.
list converted to ND array, and each item I'm printing 1 1. So address here also looking same only, but up come to this side, 288. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Every alternative is there.
Alternative there. And this is 1. For example, there is 100 members are there. There are 1 lakh houses are available. You are saying that one, select any house to stay there. So randomly they are going to select, that is your list. There are 100 houses, 100 members are there. Again, 1 lakh houses are there, but just like in private hostels. Once the one hostel is filled, they will go to the second hostel. What is the flexibility in the RAM if I having in this way? Comparing with above to here? In the RAM,
But
your
same
NumPy
value,
variable.
same address, how
I
we
think
will
we'll go for same reference, sir.
No, actually, maybe you're thinking, sir, same address, how the two values are going to store. Maybe
correct.
you are getting that question.
One is
Yes,
overrated,
sir.
maybe.
No, not override. I will
Not
explain only
override.
internal mechanism. But definitely, why is the two values are same showing same address? Then how can I access 10 and 30, 40?
Yes.
If it is your question, I will come to that part. Please hold.
Yeah.
But see, instead of randomly scattering here and there, your total addresses are, for example, this is my variable B and address is 1020, only two addresses, 101, 102, for example. In the 101, almost 20 to 30 values are there. Here also almost 20 to 30 values are there. Correct? Now easier, not reading purpose. Accessing speed is very, very higher, not here.
Yes, yes.
Only two boxes. No need to search here and there. Correct?
Mhm.
Now your question is, sir, how the two values are available here? 288, 288. 10 is showing same address, 30 is showing same address. How can it will work? Really two boxes are available. You are correct. 10, 20, 30, 40 is available. But in each memory set, one empty box is available. One empty box is available. When your PVM is calling, for example, this is a 101, 103. This is a total address is 101. And one more address also there. One empty box is available, empty cell. Here 40, 50, 60 something is available. So how the same address will come in? First of all, first one value will be loaded. This address only showing to you, temporary address. Then after whenever it is calling second one actually loaded in the box, same box only some address, but that address never show you on the screen. 20 will be loaded. Like this is like a stepping vehicle extra wheel, like that. Whenever you will call, the value is first of all load into the here only. That's why it will maintain a data structure algorithm. That's why you're seeing only two addresses are not. But these addresses are perfectly side by side with 8 multiples. For example, you are calling second index. This address assume 10. Next, first index. Second index means 1000 plus first index completed. Second index means 1008, 1016, 1024, 1000, like that. Side by side addresses will be located. But when you call, the value will be copied into this extra vehicle, extra wheel. First here load, then you are reading. That's why you are seeing only two addresses. Excellent or not this future?
Is it
Yes, sir.
using stack?
Absolutely stack only.
Mm-hmm.
Now, inside, but still it is consuming more memory only, right? But it appears to be using only two memory. But if you see, it is occupying multiple memory. But when it is when it's displaying, it's showing just a single memory or two memories.
No. Observe here. Your list is randomly distributed here. But here, how the addresses are available here? How the
It's like
addresses, for
stack, right?
example, 10.
It's like stack, like one
Side
of
by
them.
side or not? 1008, 1024. Very nearest or not? Are you understanding?
Okay, this you're telling. Okay.
Yeah. This box only extra we are thinking. But this box is permanent box or temporary plate? Temporary plate only to accessing that one.
Okay, it's something like stack, right? It's
Stack only. By default, every stack will come by default like 1000 values. This
okay.
1000.
Mhm.
But comparing with your list, it is really good or not for the performance points. So if you get a question, what is the benefit of NumPy? NumPy is very fast one. No. The answer is wrong. NumPy is very fast when you work with huge collection of data. The huge word is important. Everyone clear about this memory process, how this is working?
Why now only why it's not works in low, I mean, the low data, I mean, small data. Why it doesn't work in small data? Because that algorithm is same, right, for anything. Still, why it doesn't
Everything,
work?
number point, everything only. Yeah, same algorithm. But list point, list now, if I'm searching third item, directly I can go to the third box or not. 1000, 1008, 1024 only. 8, 16, 24 only it is going to take. But in the list, is it, can you say, is it directly available? 10 value here, 10 beside third cell only is 30 is available. Is there any guarantee in the list?
No. No, my question is why it works in the big data, not in the small data, in NumPy.
Why? Because by default you're creating one variable, two variable. By default your stock coming with 100 cells or not?
Oh, by default it creates 100 cells automatically.
100 cells. You are using or not secondary. It is coming with 100 cells. That's why initially the size is showing to you same different size or not.
Okay.
By default, if you order, you are taking one variable, two variable. The stock with 10 boxes will come freely. Are you understanding? You are
Okay.
storing only one box. Yeah, the empty is always give the value. When someone is calling, the value is going to load here. But these are empty initially. But when I am adding huge collection of the data, NumPy is behaving excellent or not?
Okay.
NumPy is
NumPy is
increasing
mainly
the
for
size or not?
organizing the data.
Yeah,
It means
whenever
it's okay.
when the size is increasing, size also comparing with your list to NumPy increasing or not? List is increasing, but NumPy is occupying less memory or not?
Yeah,
Yes.
for the memory. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. What I said, first one supporting vector operations. Second one, what is the second feature I said?
Memory.
Memory test. Third one,
Homogeneous.
homogeneous, and addresses are in the two boxes or three. Okay, in this example, two boxes only taking. Am I right? Total coming from two boxes only, na 288, and another one is 4 by 6 address. So accessing speed is very high or not? All members are in the two building blocks. Calling is very easy or not?
Yes.
But what about your list? Is it anything repeated? You can closely observe. Last follow.
No.
No. Everything is unique. There is no link to one to another one.
And always you have to convert array in NumPy. It's always you should go to array. Any data.
Only numerical. No other data types. Should be deals with numbers. It deals only with numbers.
For example, list contains number plus numerals, it will fail. Numbers plus other integers values. Not integer, other data types like.
Member means integer, float, boolean, all are numbers only. Like other means string, like what we can call list, inside a list, one more. Other than numbers, it won't work. Few numbers it will accept. Few numbers. Numbers means anything formed by point or 1, 2, 3, this type of numbers, it will work. But can I create, for example, I'm creating np dot array of, I'm taking 10, 20, 30. Will it convert to an ND array? Will it convert to ND array?
Yes.
Huh? Okay. Next
Yes.
one. np dot array of 10 Python 3.14. Will it convert?
No.
No. Why no, sir? Converted. You said wrong.
No.
I said wrong.
Can you do a type? I think it will
No.
omit that.
How it is converted, you can see that one. Again, our concept is correct. How it is converted? How each item converted? You said this is a string number.
String.
How it is converted? Everything.
Everything as a strings.
String. Now tell me, is it accepting same data type or not simply?
Yeah.
Yeah. And with string, what we can perform it? No operation with string. NumPy works exactly with all should be same data type. Even that too takes the numbers only. If you take this combination, everything converted to which data type internally? I have one more question. 3.145 true. Yeah, these are Python data types. How it is converted? How it is converted? What is the biggest one out of the three? Which is the biggest one?
5.
No, biggest means which data type? Tuple, sorry, float, integer, boolean. Which is better? Biggest.
Integer.
Yeah, tuple actually point also there. So everything is converted to point or not? 5 is a 5.0. 5 point came. True means mathematically true means how much?
1.
Everything converted to numbers.
But 5 is the top operational. No, I guess right. But why 3 point?
Not on the size.
In this 5, 3, what is the biggest data type means? That is a
Data
float.
type. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Everything converted to float.
Mhm.
Now, finally, single answer. NumPy working with same data types or different data types?
Same
Same
data
data.
type.
Same data type.
But in the definition we said like it will work with only numbers, right?
Yeah, numbers. I
But
mean,
what
works
is
with
the use
numbers
of
means,
converting that and storing it as
yeah,
a
that's why
string?
don't take strings only. If you take this one, what we can by do the strings? That is my same question again. If we convert to string, what is the actions we can perform it? String plus 2,
Mm.
string plus 3 is useless or not?
Yep.
Yeah, that's why again saying deals with numbers, only numbers.
The last one it will work, right? Naga? 3.1.4.5 dot. It will
Yeah,
work.
it will work. Yeah, it will work. Q point plus 5 working every number.
Okay.
But what about this one? String concatenation. What is the use of that? Correct or not?
Okay.
Now
Mhm.
converted Q plus 3. Yes, expected one.
Yeah.
You are adding one string and number 3. Correct?
Yep.
String plus 3. String plus 3. So NumPy operations deals with only numbers. Yeah. Are you getting
Mhm.
a proper idea why we are learning NumPy?
Yep.
Guys, please listen carefully. First, memory is a continuous allocation. Second one, vector operation. And third one is size. Otherwise, just wait. It is the very first session in the NumPy. Don't skip this one. Differences between NumPy object versus traditional Python or list as a table. Few of them we will see, not everything. How many we completed? Yeah, list is heterogeneous, supports any type of data types. And this is n dimensional. Okay, dimensional 1D, 2D secondary. This is a 1D array, but here I can store 2D array, 3D array, 4D array, matrix related. Memory allocation in the list allocates memory, but here fixed size are not one box. Each box
Mhm.
having fixed size or not?
Yep.
Resizing is possible, but changing here not possible. Immutable, the word of NumPy. Slicing, okay, there is no change. Indexing, okay, there is no change. Shape, manually we can, yeah. Place operator, not works, but here process any mathematical operations possible. Any mathematical operations are possible. Take one more document. First one, why NumPy? Create n-dimensional array. Only homogeneous. Homogeneous means, which means data inside of array must be the same data type. Element operation is possible. That is nothing but vector operation. NumPy having lot of operations functions. We can see into next session. I think we completed this part in today successfully. This example. Yes. Yes. Hmm?
Yep.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, where we have used the vector here?
Yeah.
Vector.
Wait. Where it is used, that answer I can give after pandas. So in related topics, both are related topic. Okay.
Okay.
What is the error you are getting? NumPy installation. Yeah. What is the error? Not install NumPy module. Go to the CMD with admin rights. Install it. Close this terminal first of all. Open a new terminal. Definitely it will work. Lenovo. I can see the name Lenovo. Please respond. You can unmute and you can speak.
Lenovo.
He shared only this image. Yeah, please do this activity today. At least I am expecting only one thing, not this test and other use cases. Take a small list, convert to NumPy, print it. That is expected thing from today's session. Yeah, duplicates here and there both are available. We know duplicates accepted here and there. There is no worries. Yeah, thank you, and we will connect tomorrow. That is a continuation topic. So tomorrow we are not going to see why we should learn. We are going to jump inside of the NumPy.
Naga, one quick question.
Yeah, please.
Have you created any alias? Because normally when I run a Python, it is running a Python 2.x. but Python 3, it is pointing to Python 3.x.
Which version of operating system you are using?
I'm using Mac.
Yeah, Python 3 you have to use. By inbuilt Python 2 is coming in the Mac. Please install Python 3.
Yeah, I already installed Python 3, but the FIP is not working
Yeah,
directly.
you can do one
FIP
thing.
3.
In the command prompt section, there is a terminal, is there correct?
Yes, yes.
Just type Python 3, you will get same screen. You can see Python 3, then you will get this type of screen. You can practice it. Here, type Python 3 in the terminal of Mac. Type Python 3, you will get
No,
this.
not for this. In order to install that NumPy.
There is a brew tool, is there? Can you check?
Okay, I'll check that. I think FIP3 or something will help. Something. Okay.
Package installer. Yeah, your Mac is nothing but 100% is a Linux on the again. Correct?
Yep.
Please check brew tool. Brew tool will give to you solution.
Sure.
If not, please contact me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. We will connect.
Sir, I have installed this NumPy, but still the same error is coming.
Can you share your screen if it is okay? Can you share your screen?
Yes.
I provided the access to you.
Yes, Burn. Screen is visible, sir?
Yes, fine. It is good. Now go to the CMD. It is good. Installed. Perfect.
Okay, now go to the ideal.
Oh, close this one. Close it. First close it. Close it.
Okay.
Open one more time. Yeah, now type. What is the one that is 3.14.5? Okay, go to the black color screen.
Where?
Yeah, backside black CMD prompt.
Okay.
Type Python. No, Python. Y is missing. Again, yes, press enter. Type here import NumPy. So working. The reason is you have a two Python versions. You can see 3.11.9 is one there. You can go to the previous ideally. Should be that is a different one. If you go to the ideally,
That is 3.14 is there.
yeah, that is our reason. You have a two version. Uninstall any one of them.
Okay.
Fine, just please practice this one. Today onwards is very important one. Don't skip these sessions. Yeah, daily you can do the lab activity. Thank you. Thank you.